Alright, so let's do a quick video of this Casablanca Delta 2 in antique white that I got from Spencer from the Pennsylvania fan meet. Finally decided to hang it up. This one is from December 19th, 1988, making it a very late 88 model. And you may notice that looks a bit different in this video. I actually lost the camera that I normally use to record these fan videos, so hopefully that's not gone. I just probably left it somewhere and forgot where I put it. It's in pretty good shape, although there are some marks on the down rod and when you get up close on the switch cap. There are a couple dots on the blade arms, but overall it's fine, I'd say. Start it on low. So 88 is probably one of my favorite, if not my most favorite year for Casablanca, because it was during a time where they still had some of the older models in the lineup. They probably had 5 blades at this point instead of their normal 4. But it was nice that they still existed. And they had some new models that they had introduced by this point too. They were still rocking point tip blades at this point, at least for the most part. And all the funky colors were also available. I still really want to find one of these in designer gray. I really like how that looks. I have a set of designer gray blades that came off of a fan. I came off of a white and brass Saturn, so it didn't really match, so I put on something else. I'm not going to say what in case that video is not out by the time that this one is, but it looks really good. Your average low speed. Go to medium. So this was really cheap and it was complete, but the only catch was that it needed new bearings. Because the original ones were getting pretty screechy. So that's done now. And I remember when doing bearings in a fan was so daunting, or it seemed so overly complicated, but the more that you, I guess, familiarize yourself with these fans and you just try, then the less scary it becomes. I also watched Matt do it multiple times, so that definitely helped as well. YouTube tutorials truly are a blessing. Now we'll go to high. This fan actually matches this room pretty well. And I know I've said that, I don't even know how many times when I record these videos. It actually looks kind of dark right now because of the lighting. But there are certain points in the day where sometimes the sun from that window will hit right onto the fan. It looks really cool. No wobble, just straight up hauling. And there you go. Good example of a common but very well made fan. Casablanca Delta 2 in antique white from 1988. Thanks for watching.